Mr. President.
Mr. President.
Mr. President, I want you to hear me.
Mr. President, can you hear us?
Hi, my name is Zachy.
I'm Mark.
Hi, my name is James.
My name is Aaron, and I'll be a voter in 2013.
2014.
2014.
I'm going to vote in 11 years.
2016.
In the next election.
Currently, I'm a voter.
I'm AJ, and I'm a voter.
I will be voting 13 years.
One of the main issues I want to address is
healthcare and how it should be available to everyone.
My dad has chronic illnesses, and I know it's really hard for him to afford all the medicine and all the hospital bills.
Just because there's private medical insurances in the country doesn't mean that everyone can afford it.
A problem in the U.S. that I'm seeing today is hunger.
I have a couple friends who I know come to school hungry, and they tell me.
As a son of a single-parent teacher, I think it's disgusting that a single-parent teacher has a hard time putting food on the table for their family.
1 in 5 kids in the U.S. is hungry.
1 in 5, wow. Mr. President.
Don't cut funds, because that money that goes to the school and lunch program is key to some students eating, period.
Mr. President, I feel that no one should have to go hungry. Do you feel like anyone should have to go hungry?
Something that I think needs a lot of reform in this country is education.
Not have a standardized testing incentive-based system.
And more time on creative learning.
And if classes were just a bit smaller, teachers would be able to focus more on individual students.
Making sure of that schools will have enough money to stay open.
I have gone through Head Start. I think early education is very, very essential for a better future for students.
And I want to know if I would be able to get into college when I grow up.
Families should be able to pay for college, but not have that drain other funds such as mortgage bills, car insurance, etc.
Without a college opportunity and college education, I don't really see where else I can go. All my plans rely on me to have a degree.
I'm an adopted child, and I want a law passed on promoting more open adoption for children who don't have the privilege of speaking for themselves.
What I really want to talk about is gun control.
A lack of gun control.
Gun control and mental health care.
I think a problem that has been overlooked is the rehabilitation of mentally ill people in this country.
Mr. President, that we need to address bullying as a major priority in our schools. Nobody should be able to have to suffer in silence and be afraid to speak up when they really need help.
I believe that over the next 4 years, it's time to give young people a seat at the table by creating a presidential youth council that would allow young people to serve as a sounding board for federal policies, bring the issues that they care about directly to policymakers in Washington, and also offer their own creative solutions about how to solve the issues facing the future of our country.
Thank you, Mr. President, for listening.